Welcome everyone. I Krishna More once again welcome you in today's session. Last three sessions, children, we have learnt about different kind of views. We have learnt about patterns. We have learnt about mirror halls. Now, in the mirror halls, we have learned that if half of the mirror image we draw, we get the second half as it is. Correct? Now, when we see around us, there are so many such kind of images, pictures, objects, things are in a mirror halls. For example, our cupboard, the half of the cupboard is same like the remaining half of the cupboard. Okay? So, such kind of so many things are made by using the same kind of technique. Now, mirror halls doesn't exist in only maths. Same kind of techniques so many artists also use there in their pictures. How? Let's learn something different and beautiful about mirror halls through one nice activity. Now, you can see that there are so many superheroes who wears the mask. Yes, we have seen the Iron Man, we have seen Batman, then Spider-Man, yes, Captain America. So, every superhero wears a certain kind of mask, and when we see the mask, we get surprised or we just feel it is just awesome. Yes, same kind of mask we have seen in the jatras of animals and birds. So, you can see here I have got some pictures of the mask of animals and birds. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, very nice. The tiger, owl, fox, lion. Okay, I have few more for you. See, these also masks are very much beautiful. Now, one question I get in my mind, and you also will be getting in your brain, that is it difficult to make a mask? No, it is not that much difficult to make a certain kind of mask, because for making a mask we can use the mirror hall technique to make a mask in a simple way. Now, everybody will be curious how to make a mask. I am too curious. I have tried the same kind of technique or the same kind of activity with our art sir Ajinkya sir. Now, how Ajinkya sir is going to make a mask, we will see, and I will describe you step by step how we can make a mask. Before that, I am going to tell you, if you have few things with you, you can make a beautiful mask. For example, if you have scissor, drawing paper, okay, then color pencils, you can make a mask. Now, here is a Ajinkya sir who is going to show us how to make a mask. First thing we need, that is drawing paper. The second thing we need to make a mask is pencil. The third thing we need, that is sketch pen. The fourth thing we need is scissor. Fifth thing we need, that is a thread. And last but not the least, we need some crayon colors to draw our mask. Now, Ajinkya sir, can you please start the procedure stepwise? Okay. Number 1, you have to take a drawing paper, drawing sheet, and you have to fold from center of it. So, you have to fold the paper like this. Okay. Fold it very tightly. After that, you use the second thing, that is your pencil, and try to draw the half shape of any animal. Okay, so you can use the half circle, then draw the ear. For ear you can use any shape. If you want a different kind of ear, you can draw it. Then to draw the eyes, you can use a different kind of structure. See how Ajinkya sir is drawing over there. Then draw the nose with a triangular shape. One angle only you have to slightly curved. Then draw a mouth, half mouth you have to draw. Then you have to draw some moustache if you are going to draw a shape of tiger or lion or kitten or cat. Okay, so this can be your half shape. Now after this you will be getting the mirror holes of mask or any face. Okay, you can see here, the last session we have learned about mirror holes. Now after this what you have to do, the third step is take a scissor and cut the boundaries or outline of the mask. Now Ajinkya sir is cutting the mask outline. Be careful students, when you cut the outline of the mask, you take your parents' help. Let your parents cut and give you. So you have to be very vigilant and careful while cutting down the mask. If you cut here and there, then your mask will be collapsed or destroyed or will be getting wrong. So by this way you have to cut out your mask outline so that we will be able to make a proper mask. Good. After cutting out the outline of a mask, you have to cut out the nose. Cut out the nose properly. Tell your parents to cut it properly. Okay. After cutting out the nose, you can see your image or mask half part will look like this. Okay. Then unfold the page. Wow, you will get the full face of mask. Now you have to draw the same things on the other part of the mask. Now Ajinkya sir is going to draw the other shape of the mask. First he is starting with a ear, then eyes, then mouth, and then the moustache. After drawing such kind of things, you will get same kind of mask. Okay, perfect. So after getting this kind of mask, what you have to do? You have to take a sketch pen and you have to just darken the outlines. You have to dark the outlines. For example, see how Ajinkya sir is darkening the ears. Wow. So by this darkening the outline, you can just what you can do, you can just remove the previous mistake which you have done while cutting. Okay, if you have cut it little bit wrong way, then you can, by darkening the shape, you can draw it properly, and again you can just remove the loopholes whatever you have done in a previous cutting. Okay, in such manner you have to draw all things. You have to darken the eyes in this manner. Excellent. Then you have to darken the mouth, then the moustache. Excellent. Now your mask is ready. Not last but the least way is the last thing to do. Okay, this is your mask ready. Okay, now take the pencil and make a hole to the mask by using the pencil. Now be very vigilant, or take help of your parents to make the holes. Okay, it is very dangerous to do these all things. So whenever I have suggested to take a help of your parents, please take help of your parents. So after making such kind of holes, what you supposed to do? You have to tie it properly in the holes. Okay. In this way you have to tie the thread. You can use the rubber band, or friendship bands also you can use for the tying the mask. Here we are. After tying a thread to the mask, our mask is ready. Did you see it? Good. So what you have to do? You have to use the same techniques to draw a certain kind of mask. You can make mask very easily, and after drawing such kind of mask you can color it. Okay. Now for last year when Ajinkya sir took this activity in the home, from 3rd D one student has made these marks and given to Ajinkya sir. Okay, isn't it beautiful? So by using the same technique you have to draw the mask at the home, and I am giving you some pictures over here. You can see these pictures. You can use these pictures to make a certain kind of mask. Okay, we have tiger, we have dog, we have kitten here. Okay, or you can draw a different kind of mask also. Make a mask, take a picture along with you and send back to me. Okay, did you understand all the steps? Good. So are you interested to make it at your home? Excellent. Okay, so see you soon. Meanwhile, I take a leave. We will see in a next session. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much.